Hey guys, it's Sharmise Idris here, and today I'll be teaching you how to make cold processed soap with rose clay. So I've already weighed out my oils. They are not melted down yet though. And I already have my lye solution. And in my lye solution, I add 2 teaspoons of sodium lactate just to help my soap unmold a little easier. Here I have my rose clay, and I did 1 tablespoon of rose kaolin clay mixed with 1 tablespoon of water. And the fragrance I'll be using today is Black Cherry from Nature's Garden. And of course I have my thermometer and my stick blender. So first things first, I will microwave my oils in 30-second bursts until the oil reaches 105 to 115 degrees Fahrenheit. So I do have my lye solution at about 115 degrees Fahrenheit, and I did get my oils to around 107 to 110. And now I'll just slowly pour my lye solution into my oils, and of course be sure that you have on your protective equipment. As you can see, my long sleeves aren't long enough. But yeah, make sure you have on long sleeves, gloves, protective eyewear, and be sure you're in a well-ventilated area. Now I'm going to emulsify my mixture so that everything is incorporated and there's no streaks of oil. And I do like to do this on the lowest setting of my stick blender. Now I'm going to add my fragrance and my rose kaolin clay mixture, and be sure to check out the description box. I have the ingredients listed below. And I know that not everyone has a loaf mold for soap, and some people do have the cavity mold, so I'll be using my cavity molds today. And I will go ahead and blend all of those ingredients together until it reaches a very light trace. And for this, I do like a light trace just because of the type of mold I'm using, and I don't want it to be clumpy going into the mold. I kind of want nice smooth backs. And the best way I've found to do this is to have it at a light trace. So I'm not sure if you guys can see it or not, but it has reached a very light trace. And now it's time to pour. I was able to make 12 full bars with this mixture, but I did have a little left over, so I just made a little hand soap for myself. So I let them sit for about 36 hours. They could have gone a little longer because they were very soft. And I did cover it with cardboard and a towel, but it looks like I got the cardboard a little too close to the soap, which made it look a little weird on the back. But I'll just take those raised pieces off, and then I'll hit it with a steamer on the back to make it look a little better. And I do have a video as well on how I package my soap, and it did include me steaming the soaps to make them look shiny. And that soap packaging video will be in the cards above.